Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of being joined with Lisa Post as she's running for town council in the town of Orangeville. And today we want to talk about town growth. Lisa, what is your ideal town size? That's a loaded question.
It sure is.
And where do you see the town in 10 years?
It's a very interesting question because I think that there's a lot of factors with this one. So I think to a point we've hit our max in town growth when it comes to our infrastructure being able to sustain it. So I think there needs to be some planning done before the town really has the opportunity to grow anymore. Even when I think about sewer systems and water treatment, I think that there's some infrastructure growth that would have to happen before we can really address having the town grow any bigger. We also do have restrictions on our boundaries when it comes to new development with the CVC and the Green Belt and all of that good stuff. So. I think in 10 years, it's an interesting question because I think that there is opportunity for slight growth, but I don't think we have the opportunity to double in size or anything like that. So I would see that in about 10 years, our population being fairly similar to what it is now, give or take another 5,000 or 10,000 at max.
Okay, well, thank you very much for your insight in that. And if you would like to see some other answers to other questions, Lisa has completed a couple other videos which you can check out below. Thank you very much for watching.